In this video, you will discover the best AI video generating tools available today. Let's start the comparison with the Pictory app. In short, Pictory has a text-to-video feature that turns any script you provide into a video. You can also input just a URL and it will generate a video. You can edit the videos you create using AI. It also allows you to turn any image into a video. If you have a presentation and want to convert it into a video, Picture can help with that too. And if you want to record your screen, it supports that as well. In summary, it's a great tool for YouTubers, advertisers, and educators. Let's see the text-to-video feature first. For that, I am preparing a sample script using ChatGPT. I am creating a 150-word long script about the popular subject minimalist lifestyle. As you can see, it created a short sample script that explains how simple and minimalist living works and how this journey can change a person's life. I'll take this script and paste it directly into Pictory. On the homepage, I go to the text-to-video section and paste the script there. For the title, we can call it Minimalist Lifestyle. Here you choose the format. I'll leave it in widescreen. As you can see, 150 words roughly equals 1 minute of video. I start the creation process, and Pictory analyzes the script, selects stock videos accordingly, and puts the video together. In just a short time, our video is ready. As you can see, it created scenes according to the script given. If you go to the audio section on the left, there's a voiceover option. One great feature of Pictory is that if you use 11 Labs, you can integrate your account by purchasing an add-on. There are also many background music options. You can use filters to choose music that matches your video. If you want to change voiceover or music, you can do it here. We created the video in landscape format, but if you prefer, you can switch to portrait or square format with just one click. As you can see, it's really simple. Your video is ready in seconds, and you can make many edits with a single click. Now, let's take a look at the video created. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this breakdown, give it a like and subscribe. There's a lot more coming your way on AI video tools. Now let's go back to the sample video created with Pictory.
In a world of constant noise and endless consumption, minimalism offers a refreshing alternative. It's not about empty rooms or stark white walls, it's about intention, choosing quality over quantity, simplicity over excess. When we let go of what we don't need, we create space, not just in our homes, but in our minds. We discover that happiness isn't found in things, but in experiences, relationships, and moments of clarity. Minimalism encourages mindful living.
Let's now take a look at how it creates a video from a web article. For that, we choose the URL to video option. It asks us for a URL. I previously found an article about minimalist living that includes 10 tips. As you can see, the article talks about minimalist living and offers 10 suggestions. I copy the link from that page and paste it into Pictory, then ask it to generate a script from it. Right now, it's creating a script based on the logic of the article I shared. Then, we'll turn that script into a video. Yes, the script is ready. It created a script that's about 3 minutes long. I'm briefly reviewing it, and it's quite well done. It turned the 10 points from the article into a narrative, with small examples and action cues, and wrapped it all up nicely into a proper script. I'm going to produce a video from this script now. The next steps are similar to what we saw in the text-to-video section. And now, the video is ready. As you can see, here are the scenes. We can change any of the scenes or the sentences within them, and we can also make the same edits as we did earlier. Now let's take a look at how this video turned out based on the web article.
Are you feeling overwhelmed by clutter? As a beginner minimalist, you can find peace through small steps. These tiny changes can lead to less stress and a more intentional life. Minimalism goes beyond decluttering. It's about shifting your mindset. Examine spending, habits, and routines to notice areas where you can simplify. The goal isn't just reducing stuff, but understanding what truly matters to you.
Let's also take a look at how video creation works with InVideo. After logging in on the homepage, InVideo greets you with a prompt box. You simply type in the prompt you want, and InVideo uses that to generate a video. To keep the comparison fair, I'll write a prompt about minimalism again. As you can see, I briefly described what I wanted, what kind of visuals I was imagining, etc. You can write a similar prompt based on your needs. I asked for a 1-minute video, but you can set it to 5, 15, 20, or 30 minutes, whatever you need. I start the generation process. And now InVideo is analyzing the prompt to come up with fitting scenes and concepts. Before full production begins, it asks for a few final inputs. Like the type of media to use, I'm keeping it on stock media. The target audience, the one selected is appropriate, and the video pace. I mentioned slow in the prompt, so it carried that over. It also asks which platform the video will be published on to determine the right aspect ratio. Since I want a widescreen format, I'll keep it set to YouTube. Now I proceed with the generation. InVideo will take these inputs, create the scenes, add voiceover, background music, and give me a ready-to-use video. This can take a minute or two, so I'm skipping ahead. Now the video is ready. Let's see how the first draft turned out.
This is why you need minimalism in your life. To find calm, clear your mind, and breathe a little easier. Minimalism isn't about having less. It's about making room for more of what matters. Start small, clear a corner, donate what you don't use, or tidy up your desk. Notice how your space feels lighter? That's your mind relaxing too.
The video looks quite good, but I think it could be even better with a few small tweaks, for example, making the background music a bit calmer and adding subtitles. I'll do those shortly, but first, let me explain how editing works in general. There's an edit section where you can see all the generated scenes. You can replace any of the visuals with your own media, or with media from InVideo's library. By the way, if you want to try out Pictory or InVideo yourself, I've added all the links and discount codes in the description below. Check them out after the video. Now, let's go back to editing with InVideo. You can also change the music from this section. If there's a word or sentence in the script that you don't like or want to modify, you can edit it right here as well. There's also a prompt box where you can type free-form requests to adjust the video based on your needs. Let me give you a quick example. I'll change the captions and the music. Then I'll show you the updated draft. As you can see, I made both changes in just a few seconds. Now let's check out how the final video looks.
This is why you need minimalism in your life. To find calm, clear your mind, and breathe a little easier. Minimalism isn't about having less. It's about making room for more of what matters. Start small, clear a corner, donate what you don't use, or tidy up your desk. Notice how your space feels lighter? That's your mind relaxing too.
Also, there's another great feature in InVideo I want to mention. If you want to use your own voice, InVideo lets you do that. Just go to the voice section and click Add Voice. You only need to record a clean 30-second clip using your phone. No professional mic needed. Then you upload it, and your voice will be ready to use. For example, I have already created a custom voice sample here. This way, you can use your own voice in your videos too. Now, let's compare Pictory and InVideo side by side. Pictory creates videos from scripts or URLs, with an easy interface and 11 Labs integration for realistic voiceovers. And it's perfect for educators and marketers and starts at $19 a month. On the other hand, InVideo is built for creators. It turns prompts into videos and supports timeline editing and even voice cloning. It's a bit pricier at $28 a month. You can use the code UKDM20 for Pictory to get 20% off, and INY50 for InVideo to get plus 50 AI minutes. Both tools are beginner-friendly and powerful enough for more advanced users. Just pick the one that matches your workflow best. Both Pictory and InVideo offer free trials, so you can explore before committing. Check the links in the description for links and discounts. Happy creating with AI.